Now, this illustration deals with enclosed equipment, access to unqualified persons, in accordance with 110.31D as in dog. Now, notice we have a transformer there, and if people, for example, was performing some kind of maintenance around that transformer, and we had truck traffic passing by the area, then they would cone it off. They would provide safe clearances and working so the truck travel vehicles and cars and things would have a coned area to know that they stay away from the area. So they'd have a barricaded area. But notice that the transformer was in totally closed type transformer, except for the ventilating openings. There'd be no way to get into it without removing covers and having the appropriate tools to do so. And notice it's a feeder coming from a substation to feed this transformer. And then the transformer secondary side is routed into the facility as seen. And then notice all equipment that is has screwed down in covers totally encloses these energized components to prevent unqualified people from having access. And notice things that we can use to identify somebody working in and around equipment would be like barricades to the right with warning signs, flashing lights, and so forth. We could use a area with non-metallic stands and a tape of yellow or red, whatever type of warning we were trying to send. We could even have flags with a caution worker with flags, telling you slow down, go around the barricaded area. And so what this illustration is illustrating is enclosed equipment accessible to unqualified persons, such as that transformer there that's totally enclosed except for its ventilating openings. And as an electrician, you've seen these transformers located in many places around apartment complexes, industrial type facilities, commercial facilities, even dwelling unit, residential areas. You'll see a totally enclosed transformer except for the ventilating openings. And that's what this section, NEC 110.31D, is illustrating, that we must protect the unqualified person when we have energized components at 50 volts or greater.